Hi viewers, welcome back again in another video. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great, wonderful. Beloved, today I have come with a very interesting topic. Like in today's video, I will be teaching you how you can give a winch a run, how you can make them to be on a run, how you can use natural ingredients to destroy them. Now, I know that a lot of people will be asking, can a winch be destroyed? Yes, it can be destroyed and it can be caught. You know what I mean? Maybe you have tried so many recipe, none is working, yet they keep on coming in your home. Now I want you to try this particular remedy because I know that this remedy is going to help you a lot. Because I know that this remedy will make you to catch the so-called winch. Yes, by your hand. Now I will tell you how you can catch it. All right, how you can catch those winches always tormenting you, always listening to your conversation. They can come in form of ants, they can come in form of cockroach, they can even come in form of pussycats. So they can come in any form. All right, so whenever you see unusual thing around your home, around your house, please do not spell it. They can even come in form of flies. So whenever you see some unusual animal, things that are not supposed to be in your house, in your room, do not take it for granted. Do not just keep quiet. Do not just say, it's just a normal thing. No, it might be them coming to listen to your conversation. And now let me shock you one thing. Witches and wizards, they listen, but they hear languages. They hear different type of language. If you like, communicate with Hebrew with your partner. If you like, communicate with Yoruba. If you like, communicate with Hausa. If you like, communicate with India. In fact, any language at all, they hear it. So they hear all the languages. They hear it. So that is how devilish, that is how dangerous they can be. So even if you are communicating with, strange language, they will also hear it. And when they hear it, they will carry it to their oven and then deliberate on that particular topic that you are discussing with your partner, your wife, your husband, your children. And you'll be surprised how, you're having some kind of blockage on your progress. Maybe you are discussing on how you can open a shop, you're discussing on how you can do one thing or that related with money, and all of a sudden money will just cease. All of a sudden you're not going to be receiving any kind of help from anybody. That is because witches and wizards around you in form of animals have listened to your conversation and they have carried it out down to their covens, to their meeting points where they normally have their meeting. So if you want to catch them, if you want to destroy them totally, you only need some few ingredients, which I am going to be showing you right now. So number one ingredient in my list is what? Potash. You need a you want for this thing, guys, I'm sorry about that, because you need a potash. This is potash, okay? So you need a huge amount of potash, as plenty as you can. Get this, look at this is potash. So this is mine. I think this one is about this whole potash is about 500 naira, okay? Yes, so get a potash, the one that you can use to cook, the eatable potash, the one that organic people normally use to produce soap and all that. You need potash. You need clean broom, the broom that I've never used before, and then you need a bucket. Now this is how you're going to be doing it. Get your potash, pound it in your mortar, pound it, make it to be a powdery form, pound it very, very well, and then pour water on that potash. No, take the potash into your bucket and then add water inside it. Do not allow the water to fill the bucket, just as in normal level. All right, so just put the water normal level, okay, and then turn it very well. Do not use your hand to turn it. Use your broom, your new broom, to turn it, to mix it very well. And after you have done mixing it, now begin to use this broom to be sprinkling the water in 4 places at the edge of each room. You know it's 4, so you sprinkled 1, you sprinkled 2, you sprinkled 3, you sprinkled 4 edges. Now after I've done sprinkling in 4 edges, now sprinkle general on the ceiling just like this. Okay, do that if you have 5 rooms inside one building. Do that if you have 6 rooms. If you have only 1 room, just do that. Okay, and then after you must have done that, the broom that you use, when you want to keep the broom, do not allow the broom to slip. Just make it to hang like this at the edge of your wall, at the edge of your wall. Okay, and then the remaining water, the remaining potash water, you can transfer it into an empty bottle for another use. Okay, and then the broom that you have already used in sprinkling the water, do not use it to sweep. Don't use it to sweep. All right, and I'll tell you, if they're coming in form of animal, in any form, in any shape, you will see them. So when you catch them alive, if it is the one that's always come like a cockroach, by the time this particular water starts dealing with them, you will see them, they'll just be falling. So when they fall like that, my dear, pick it up. If it's a rat, pick it up and then look for a clean white bottle. Look for a clean white bottle, then transfer it inside that bottle. Put the ants, if it is ants, put it inside the bottle that you catch after doing this particular recipe. If it is ants that you catch, put the ants inside a white bottle, then cover it. If it's cockroach, put that cockroach inside that bottle, that white bottle, and then cover it. If it's rats, the same thing. If it's cats, use pots, native pots. You put it and then you cover it. There is a native pot that has this coverage. Then you cover it, and I'll tell you, the moment you have covered that, in life, in fact, the person will remain sick. In life, the person will never even. In fact, the person will remain sick. When I mean sick, a very good sickness will befall on that particular person that is turning him or herself into witch, just to come and destroy you, just to come and harm you and your children. Do not have mercy and say you want to allow them to die. If they die in that bottle completely, that person is going to die in the physical realm. Let me tell you. So don't wait and say you want to catch the witch as a human being. You cannot. They will always come in form of any animal. So when you see any animal after sprinkling this, catch it. That is the witch. Catch it. I know it will be sounding somehow. Catch it and then put it inside a white bottle and cover it. They will die there. Once they die there, they will die in physical realm. So guys, that's just the special use of potash. I know a lot of people don't know that a potash can be used to catch witches and wizards. Now I am telling you. So if you're watching me for months, for years, you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then if this video is very interesting to you, after watching it, please give this video a thumbs up. For those who are coming for my promo products, please, the promo is going to be ending very soon. So if you haven't ordered anything, why are you wasting time? Go ahead and then order. To order, chat me up on 090-5982-5779, active WhatsApp and on Telegram. So guys, for those who wish to join our family group chat on WhatsApp, then you can also contact the number, which is 090-5982-5779. Okay, so guys, see you there on my next episode. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.